Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following questions and functions. We have a tunnel has a parabolic cross-section with a maximum height of 8 meters and a width of 8 meters. We are to A, give the equation of the parabola, and B, if the roof of the bus just touches the top edge of the tunnel when its wheels are 1 meter from the side of the tunnel, determine the height of the bus. I'm starting with the first part of the question that says, give the equation of the parabola. You can see with what we have, the turning point is shown, and that has a coordinate of 0 and 8. We have the x-intercept on both sides, but note that in order to find the value of our x-intercept, the total distance from one part to the other, where the parabola intercept the x-axis, we have that as 8 meters. So what that means is, if you divide that into 2, this is the middle, that's O, then that will be 4 meters. So therefore, this will be 4, and on the other side, this will be -4. Therefore, to find the equation of the parabola, because the turning point is given, I'm going to use two equations, the x-intercept, which states that y equals a times x minus r1 multiplying x minus r2. Note that this is the x-intercept formula, and r1 and r2 are your x-intercept. So in this case, I know my r1 to be -4 as shown, and then my r2 to be +4. So I'm going to replace that in my equation. That's y equals a in bracket x minus -4 multiplying x minus 4. That will be a x plus 4 x minus 4. And if I expand using the difference of two squares, that will be y equals a in bracket x squared minus 16 close bracket, and that will be a equals, or y equals ax squared minus 16a. I've been able to get my first equation as shown, so therefore I tag that as equation 1. The second equation I'm going to derive will be using my vertex formula for parabola, and that is y equals a in bracket x minus p all squared plus q, where my p and q are the turning point. So if I have my turning point to be -p q, if I go back to the equation, I have my turning point to be 0 and 8. So I'm going to replace that, and that will be -p, p is my x values, and q is my y values for my turning point. So that will be -0, 0, and q, which is my y value, is 8. So if I replace that back into my equation, I have y equals a in bracket x minus 0 close bracket all squared plus 8. And if I simplify further, I have that as a x minus 0 is 0, and then raised to the power of 2, that's x squared. So I have ax squared plus 8. So that's my second equation of the parabola. So therefore, now that I have these two equations, and they both represent the same parabola as shown, therefore I'm going to equate them together. Therefore I have equation 1 must be equal to equation 2, and then I have ax squared minus 16a equals ax squared plus 8. The next step, I'm going to take out ax squared from both sides, or I can use the balance method to say take out ax squared from both sides or move my ax squared. So therefore I have ax squared minus ax squared minus 16a equals, I moved the ax squared to the left-hand side, so I'm left with 8. Ax squared minus ax squared, that goes off, that's 0. Then I have minus 16a equals to 8, dividing both sides by minus 16 and negative 16. I'm going to have my value of a, which is minus 1 over 2. Note that the value of a determines the shape of my parabola. So therefore, if my a is greater than 0, I'm going to have a smiley face. But in this case, the value of a is less than 0, and therefore, my parabola is concave down or a set face. So therefore, the equation of the parabola as shown will be y equals, I'm going to use the second equation, so that's negative 1 over 2x squared plus 8, and that is the equation of my parabola. Let's go to the second part of the question. We've been told that the roof of the bus just touches the top edge of the kernel when its wheels are 1 meter from the side of the tunnel. So what it means is 1 meter from the side of the tunnel, therefore this distance from the origin 0 will be 3 meters. To determine the size of the bus, we've been given, or we were able to solve for the equation of the parabola as shown. So therefore, I'm going to put the point 3 and 0, because if you look at the same point for the bus, we have that coordinates to be 3 for x and 0, because we don't know the height of the bus. Once we can get the coordinates of the points shown, then we will be able to find the height of the bus, which will be the value on the y-axis. So therefore, I'm going to substitute x equals to 3. So therefore, using the equation of the parabola, I have y equals minus 1 over 2 in bracket 3 squared plus 8. That's going to be minus 9 over 2 plus 8. Therefore, my y will be equal to 3, 1 over 2. So therefore, the bus side will be 3, 1 over 2 meters. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Bye.